Craving a December getaway? Whether it's snow or sun you're after, we've got you covered. First up, London. December transforms London into a festive paradise. From Hyde Park's winter wonderland to Christmas concerts, this city dazzles with holiday cheer. And Harry Potter fans don't miss Hogwarts in the snow at Warner Brothers Studio. Next, escape to the US Virgin Islands. December means dry season, perfect for sunbathing at Magen's Bay or exploring the underwater world. And the Crucian Christmas Festival in St. Croix? It's a must-see. For winter sports lovers, the French Alps are calling. Enjoy skiing in Val d'Isère or Chamonix. And don't miss the charming Christmas markets. Finnish Lapland offers an Arctic adventure. Visit Santa Claus Village, ride a reindeer sleigh, and chase the northern lights from a cozy glass igloo. Want sun and sand? Head to the Bahamas. Perfect weather, vibrant Junkanoo parades, and endless beaches await. So, what's your dream destination this December? Comment below and subscribe for more travel inspiration.